Imagine a breathing in, breathing out, star-blessed planet, inhabited by magical creatures like the tardigrade, also known as moss piglets and water bears, who can survive permafrosts, active volcanoes, and outer space. That's our world. Imagine beings capable of destroying paradise with the power of their mind. That's our world. Conjure a world where one user creates something new out of atoms of air, unlike anything else ever before, and others recognize it instantly, add to it, share. That's our world. A super massively subtle, intricate looping dance of energy, cascading, shedding jewels-like sequins through the unfurling pattern of perfectly folded proteins. Picture this symphony of amazement. See it fragile. Witness it going. We need to join forces, pool resources, keep it safe. How? We live so close and so separate. In a kaleidoscopic Venn diagram multiverse of overlapping circles, which in reality might be light years apart, though they still throw shade on each other's planes. Every mortal on this planet seems to be a potential hero and their own worst enemy, shining searchlights into the wrong caves. Our story is a long timeline of blokes like Oedipus and Chuang-Tzu and Hamlet, staring stunned at the stars, wondering, who am I? Why are we? Once upon a dream, we imagined a digital revolution of friendly global villages where everyone took in each other's virtual bins. Human consciousness uploaded into an expanding sphere of universal social literacy. In practice, the solemn reverberations of your most sacred echo chamber are noodled to noise in the hissing stir-fry of my social media feed. What if there was somewhere everyone could find a meeting of minds, where reality wasn't a choice of filters, where cancel culture transitioned into peer review, where the names of new proteins, Fiona 1, Shrek, Topless, were household as Love Islanders and Creative Commons viral as Kim Kardashian. Imagine a database of shared ownership made not for profit, but to profit all. What if, like penguins in the frozen waste, we could weather this climate crisis by time-sharing center stage, shuffling the pack, the high-low ace, no one edged out, marginalized, so we all survive, with access for all to the inner circle, each of us with a seat at the table, everybody able to bask in the warmth of knowing we all know we are in the same storm and the same boat. That when we share knowledge, it flows, carries us to where we need to go. Let's dream of a world where right now, a kid in Alaska and 2 in Nairobi and 1 in Sydney by way of Karachi are uploading scientific data from Wikimedia to their brains, freely streaming information translated by early career researchers that will lead them to cross-reference, follow sources, edit, contribute, collaborate, and meet face-to-face in a lab in Leeds, where they will find a cure for the cancer that killed your great-grandmother, that will save your granddaughter. Believe that for a fact. Here's a fact. Facts leave us cold, stone-faced. It's stories that change landscapes. From the Stonehenge circles to the Easter Island statues, we move mountains when we believe. But we need new stories, because the ones we have now, the ones about how a brighter future is our destiny, how we stand on the shoulders of giants to see not just further but better, that's post-truth, that's fake news. There is no happy ever after, no mystical fairy tale millennium where we all wear silver. If we want progress and change, we need to change how we progress. The old stories about a singular savior rising heroic out of a crowd have brought too few of us too far, too fast. We need a new story about how we move as one. Slower, surer, further. It's not about 1,000 millionaires rocketing to Mars. It's about 5 billion citizens supporting science to nurture drought-resistant plants. We have the technology. We have the wherewithal. We need the collective will. And that's down to you and me, ordinary, extraordinary human beings. That early career researcher in a Leeds lab uploading her images to Wikimedia, a secondary school teacher, wiki user who knows how to explain DNA to RNA so that any 12-year-old can start to figure out, who am I? Why are we? It's about baseline knowledge, everyone on common ground across cultures, currencies, and mother tongues. What if this is a world where we are all the hero and the storyteller, where we all help each other to make our stories truthful and free? Imagine if we all come together to share those stories on Wikimedia. What a wonderful world this would be.